Today I'm going to show you how to reschedule an overdue task in Motion. Alright, so we're in one of our projects and we need to reschedule one of our tasks or even the project itself, okay? So what we can actually do here is go and have a look. This is project 1. We are going in now. We are going to look at the deadline. So hold in Shift and you can use your mouse wheel to scroll left and right, and you'll come over here to the deadline and you'll see over here that this deadline is today at 12 a.m. and it's already passed. Go ahead, click on this. You'll see that these are the dates that you'll be able to reschedule them to, or you can just pick manually over here on your calendar. So let's just push this till tomorrow. It also says, would you like to resize the project or just the stage? Okay, so basically you're changing the from setup Motion stage deadline from this date to the following day. Motion will move all of the stages deadlines as well as the project deadline by 1 day. Or if you want to just do the stage deadline by 1 day, but all of the future the stage deadlines and the project deadline will remain unchanged. So depending on if you want to do the whole project or just the task itself, depends. Go ahead, click on continue. You'll see now this has all changed to Thursday, the 22nd. And that's how you can quickly and easily just reschedule a task within Motion.